Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 horizontal lines in left upper corner, and then select My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated, and you can either update one particular application by itself, so for example Google Chrome Fast and Secure, by tapping on Update icon right next to the app name, and as you can see here you can detect the progress, so you can see if it's already downloaded and if it's installed, because at first your app will be downloaded, the latest version of your app, and then once it's downloaded it will be installed. It will be done automatically. Meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way, you can search browser, you can watch some movie, I don't know, use GPS, whatever. Then if you will open Play Store again, you will see that the download is pending. I think it's stuck, so let me reopen it. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and now you can find it at the bottom of the list. But if you would like to update all apps at once, just click on Update All and it will be done automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can update apps in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.